I have to admit, I find it pretty challenging to cultivate loving kindness toward everyone, especially people I don't know or don't particularly like. How do you manage to do that? Share your secret.
How to generate loving kindness is that first you recognize that every sentient being, because we believe in life after the next, is one way or another. It has been we normally do say that every sentient being has been one in lifetime or another as a mother to you. But that's because most of the people generally, mother is the most precious and most closest one. So that's why we say mother. But it could be your father, it could be your friend, it could be your somebody close to you. That to recognize the amount of love, the care, the protection that you receive from this. To just remember that only in this life, because of our karma, we can only recognize the people in your life this life. But if you think more widely, then every sentient being in his one lifetime or another has been very close to you and been very caring to you. So this is also to remember, to acknowledge that this is happening. Then the second one is to recognize that how much they have given you, how much love, care. To remember that is also important. Then also to acknowledge that to recognize, yes, these people, every sentient being has been very kind to me, very good to me, just like the important people in your life during this life. All these other sentient beings also been very kind and good to me. So these are the three reasons how you generate loving kindness.